Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You are watching me on Tech My Hat channel. So before starting this video, I want to share one thing that if the candidates are interested to share their experience of interview or internship or training or job, so anything of experience, if you want to share through our YouTube channel, you can share with us. So if you are interested, you can ping us on Tech My Hat Instagram page, or you can also mail us. So the mail ID is provided in the description link. And the candidates who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and you will get the videos about the placement assistance and interview experience and a lot more from our YouTube channel. Hello everyone, the job date for this video is from Razorpay, hiring for junior technical consultant, and the streams will be like BE or BTech in computer science, IT, and information security, EEE and EC. The location will be Bangalore, and 4 LPA is the salary they have mentioned. So where I will provide the job link in the description, you can go through it. And first you'll ask like account at freshersworld.com. So the job date is posted by freshersworld.com. So if you want to apply for the job, you have to create an account at freshersworld.com. You can do it. So the current opening is junior technical consultant, and Razorpay is the company. It's an off-campus recruitment drive through freshersworld.com. So this is the freshersworld.com is updating the job update from this Razorpay. So coming to the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned from a 2020 and 2021 batch of a BE or BTech in computer science, IT, or information security, EEE and EC candidates, and the role and responsibilities they have mentioned. And report issues or bugs to product software engineering teams by raising Jira and work towards a resolution with collaboration. So like agile thing kind of. So this is the, you can go through the responsibility they have mentioned here. And coming to the skills, to explain complex information in simple clear terms to a non-IT personnel, additional skills required. Suppose you have to you are in a position like you have to explain the information to non-IT candidate, and explain excellent written and verbal communication skills, a good team player, highly motivated, self-starter, and ability to deal with complex issues and bring it to closure with leisure dependency. So logical thinker with good analytical and problem solving skills. Good to have up-to-date technical knowledge in payment gateway domain. So ability for in-depth understanding of multiple products and process. So experience in web development, the following knowledge at least in one front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Flutter, React Native, and server-side technologies like Java, C++, Python, and Go. So this is the required skills that I have mentioned. Coming to the job location, it will be Bangalore. Salary will be 4 LPA. Additional benefits like Razorpay will be provide a laptop to candidate to work from home until office resume. So because it's COVID situation, so if you got, I mean, after completing this recruitment process, if you selected for this job, so you will get a laptop. You have to work from home until the COVID situation come to handle, and so you have to work at home until the office resumes. And application received will so 1074 applications are received for this job. So if you you can create account at freshersworld.com. I will give job link. After creating account, you have like here there will be option like apply. So when you click on you it will get message like you have already applied. So it will get data from here. Suppose while creating the account at freshersworld.com, so it is the same data like your details, email ID, and communication details, education details. So all this data will be sent to Razorpay when you click on apply now. Okay. So this is your update from Razorpay, updated at freshersworld.com. So I will put the job in the description. You can go through it. And those who are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel now and click the bell icon to get job updates regularly. So those and the candidates will not going to miss jobs. So thank you guys.